TVN TV channel. Today we are going to learn operation on vectors. Operation on vectors. So about the operation on vectors, we will see how to find the addition of two or more vectors, and we will see how to find the subtraction of two or more vectors, and we will see how you can multiply a vector by a scalar. So now let us start about the addition and the subtraction of two of any vectors. Addition and the subtraction of vectors. So now let's take vector A. It has got x1 and the y1, and the vector B x2 and the y2. So for addition means that you have to make the addition horizontal displacements and the vertical displacements are added separately. So now A plus B, vector A plus vector B means that you have x1 and the y1 plus x2 and the y2. So now x1 and the x2 is the horizontal, means that all Cartesian plane. This one is x-axis, this is y-axis. So means that the x-axis it represents horizontal displacements, while y it represents vertical displacements. Means that this form of vector notation is what you call column form. So and now we have to add x and x, you get x1 plus x2, and now add the vertically displacement y1 plus y2. So about for subtraction means that the horizontal displacement and the vertical displacements are subtracted separately. So and now vector A minus vector B, we get x1 y1 minus x2 and the y2, which is going to mean that you have to make the subtraction of horizontal displacements and the subtraction of vertical displacements, and now get x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2. So here we have an example. Given that a vector A, it has the coordinates of 3 and 4, and vector B, it has the coordinates of 1 and 6. So now find vector A plus vector B. So and now about the vector A plus vector B, now we have to write vector A like this: 3, 4 plus vector B is 1 and 6. Means that 3 is the values of x is the horizontal displacement, and the 1 is the horizontal displacement. Means that we have to find the addition of horizontal displacement. We get 3 plus 1, while 4 is vertical displacement and 6 is the vertical displacement. Means that 4 is a vertical displacement of vector A, and while 6 is a vertical displacement of vector B. And now we take 4 plus 6, which is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 we get 4. 4 plus 6 we get 10. Means that A, vector A plus vector B is equal to 4 and 10. So on the B, question B, you can ask to find vector A minus vector B. Yes? And now we take the vector A, which is equal to 3, 4 minus vector B is 1 and 6. Means that you have to make the subtraction of horizontal displacement. Yes, where 3 is the horizontal displacement of vector A minus this minus multiply here, we get minus 1. And now 4, the vertical displacement of vector A minus 6, the vertical displacement of vector B, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to, and the 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 2. This is means that A minus B, vector A minus vector B is equal to 2 and negative 2. This is how to find the addition and the subtraction. While for addition, it means that you have to make the addition of horizontal displacement and the vertical displacement. Yes. About the subtraction, it means that you have to subtract the horizontal displacement with each others, and now you make the subtraction of vertical displacement. So now, thank you. See you to watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to click on subscribe, like, share, and write a comment. So now, thank you. Bye bye.